Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change font in all text boxes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the font all text boxes. At first, create some text box. Go to the new slide option, select the blank. Now I am go to the insert menu. Click the text box option and draw a text box, then write anything. We can see here the font size is Soma. Now you want to change the font to all text boxes. Go to the view menu, click the slide master option, then go to the main slide and select the font option, then go to customize font and we can see here the heading font. Now I am choose any font style to this heading font. Now I am select the font. Now I am select impact, then select the body font is same, then click the save option and we can see here show the all font is same. Then we select the close master view and we can see here the all text boxes font is same. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.